We thought April would be a calm month here, but this wall ended up causing us way more problems than expected. So Hamish tried to remove the laurel and the walnut, but yeah, it didn't really go as planned, as you can see. At some point we just had to stop because it wasn't working at all. I think we'll come back to it together later, and instead we moved on to the kitchen garden, which is better for now. Today, as you can see, we have plenty of things to do. Hamish will work on the raised beds for the kitchen garden, so I'm still working on this one, and on my side I need to remove the jasmine that dies this winter. I think it was frozen. We still have one barely alive, but we'll see how it goes. And I have also with the scissors, the robot mower missed some spots, so I need also to chop everything. And as you can see, we bought some things for the kitchen garden, so I really look forward to start it. It's my first time. Every time, you know, in my life I tried on like the small terrace on the flats to have like small tomatoes or things like that, but it's not like going very well. So I hope here in nature and in our beautiful garden it will work. And also I want to replace one of the two jasmine, so the one who died, by chèvrefeuille. I don't know in English, I will put the name, but it's like a Japan mint crisp. So you can see like that. Oops. Look at the leaves, wonderful. It's like a variegata. It's a mix like of white and green in the leaves. So I'm gonna show you all of that. Well, we have the new chèvrefeuille that is now in his bed, and we still have the jasmine trying to survive here, so we'll see how it goes. While I was replanting and clearing a bit of the garden, Hamish finished building the 3 remaining raised beds. Really happy with that, so we could finally start the kitchen garden. I'll show you what he did. It turned out really nice. I could have helped, but I may have let him handle that one. Finishing the kitchen garden. On my side I selected the plants, so we have melon. This one is like a surprise, we don't know. Cucumber. Potimarron, tu dis comment? Oh, in French we say potimarron. All of the tomatoes, one pimiento, and I don't know, but you will understand, eggplant, and I don't remember this one. Zucchinis, I think it's zucchinis. And I have some basil, which is like a purple basil. I love it. So now I'm gonna repot it in 2 pots because most of the time they put too much inside. So finally we have the 4 beds. We should add like geotextile, you know, on the sides, just to protect the holes and be sure the wood is protected. So we will add it maybe later, and as we don't have any soil for now, we just gonna use like some compost in the middle to do just one line, as we don't have too much to test this year. The goal this year is just to see what is working, what is not working here with this weather. So we will try small this year, and the goal is to improve it every year and to go more and more. So here will go the piment and the tomatoes, and there all of the melons and things like that, the big one. Job done. We have our first kitchen garden, Hamish.
First plants are in.
Yeah. Tomatoes there. In the middle is the what? Piment. How do you say? Oh, you're not proper English, Hamish. What's the name in English? Blank.
Chili.
Chili. Chili pepper?
Yeah.
Yeah, chili pepper in the middle. Here we have all of the melons, cucumber, everything, and there the zucchini and eggplant. So we will need more cardboard and soil, of course, to fill them bit by bit, but at least we can start something. So we are really glad with that. Amazing. And finally, this bloody wall. This wall has honestly caused us so much stress over the past few months. We even had to bring in an expert at some point, but this month it finally taken care of. It's not the most exciting thing to spend money on, as you know, over 6,000 euros for something you don't even really see, but we didn't have the choice. Here it's a structural wall. So the team did an amazing job. They first replaced the beam in the cellar with a steel one. The previous one was completely gone. Honestly, if we had left it like that, we could have ended up in the cellar from the bedroom. Then they could finally started working on the wall itself. We weren't always here, so we don't have every step, of course, but you can still see the different stages. They cleared everything, redid the foundations, and rebuilt the entire wall all the way up to the roof. So now everything is finally solid again, hopefully, and we can move forward. Next month we'll be able to make the final payment and finally focus on more exciting things inside the house, especially the bedroom. As you know, it's our goal for 2026, where we've already started looking at paints and ideas. We're really excited to share that with you, as you know. Here is the new metal beam. So, still drying. As you can see, is now well attached with some concrete. They also managed to level the floor. Same here, there is still the wood and the concrete is like drying, but they really attached it to the foundation, and they worked on the foundation. And to end the month, a well-deserved barbecue. We actually upgraded it because it was too small, but now we have a good size. And with some rest, see you next month. Don't hesitate as always to like and subscribe our video, and thank you to follow our journey. Bye bye.